Okay, so we're multiplying 94 with 8.12. And there are a number of ways through which you can do it. One way is to convert whatever number we have here into either a hundredth or a tenth. So either a hundredth or a tenth, and that is an option that we have. But it'll depend on the sort of number that we have. If the smallest digit in the number is happens to be a hundredth, then we will convert the entire number into into an equivalent hundredth number. I'll repeat that. If the smallest number is a hundredth, like 2 in this case is a hundredth, then we will convert it into this 8.12 into 100th. And how do we do that? What is 8.12 written in the form of hundredths? It is 8.12, and what you can do is you can multiply it with 100 and divide it by 100. Right? So 8.12 into 100, what is that? Right? So we know that the decimal jumps places to the left when we divide by either a 10 or a 100 or a 1000, but in this case when we multiply a number with the 100, then the decimal moves towards the right, and the number of jumps that it does towards the right is equal to the number of zeros you have here, right? So 8.12 multiply 100, the number of zeros is 2, so the decimal will take 2 jumps, and this will become 812. Okay, so going back, 8.12 is equal to then 812 over 100, which is the same as 812 hundredths. Right, so now what we need to do is we need to do 94 multiplied by 812 hundredths. Right, so let's multiply 812 with 94. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32, and 0. 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9, and 1. 9 8s are 72, and 7. 8 2 3 6 7. 7 6 3 2 8. Right, so this is what we have: 7 6 3 2 8 hundredths. How do we translate this or convert this into a decimal? So this is what a decimal looks like, right? So we have a decimal in the middle, and then a tenth and a hundredth, and a 10 ones here and a tens here and a hundreds here. So let's try and place this number into this structure. So we start with the smallest number, which happens to be this 8. It goes into the hundredths, and then all the rest of the numbers follow towards the left: 2 3 6 7. So it becomes 763.28, and that is the answer that we were looking for. 760. And you can also sort of confirm and whether this number looks right or not. And how do you do that? You can estimate what 94 multiplied by 8.12 would approximately be. So 94 can be rounded to 90, 8.12 can be rounded to 8. This becomes 720. So we are the exact answer is 763.28, so which is in the same range, right? So it's not a 72 or a 7200 or a 72,000. It is 700. It's within the 700. So we know that the decimal is placed correctly. So 763.28 is the answer that we were looking for. Let's put it in the box. 763.28. Awesome. Let's try another question. Let's be quick about it this time. 64.09 multiplied by 52. Okay, so we are going to convert 64.09 into tenths or hundredths. Because we have a hundredth here, therefore we will convert 64.09 into hundredths. And how do we do that? We multiply with 100 and we divide with 100, and the decimal jumps 2 places, right? So this becomes 6409 over 100. So 64.09 is the same as 6,409 hundredths. 6,409 hundredths. And now we need to multiply 6409 with 52. 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 0, and 1. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Big 0. 9 5s are 45. 5 4 on top. 5 zeros are 0 and 4 4. 5 fours are 20 and 2. 5 6 are 30 and 2. Right, so we have 8 6 2 3 3 3. Right, so we have 333,268 hundredths. 333 6268 268 hundredths. Let's try and put this into our decimal frames. We start with 8, which is a hundredth, then 6, and then the rest of them go this side. 2 3 3 3. So it's 3,332.68. 3,332.68. Awesome. Great. One more question? No more questions. We're done. Thank you.